What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make some juice again. So these are the ingredients that I am using to make my juice. So I'm going to be using some spinach, some cucumber, 2 apples, 1 lime, and a ginger. I'm adding ginger. Ginger is something I'm just adding personally, just because I want that spiciness a little bit. But you can take out the ginger if you not need it, if it's not necessary. Just these 4 ingredients are good, or just this the 3 ingredients are also very good. The spinach, the cucumber, and the apples. Then the ginger and the lime is just something extra that I'm adding. So I'm going to juice them using my Omega juicer. I've got everything ready standing here. So this is the juicer that I'm going to be using, my Omega. I have my container standing, and these are all the ingredients. So guys, let's get started. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. And let's get started and juice all of these goodies. So beauties, I took off all the skin of the cucumber, the apple, and the lemon. So this is where everything goes down. Whilst I was juicing the product, I thought I was filming. Guys, I thought I was filming. I thought I was filming. I don't know whether I was filming, and then I lost all the filming section. So I didn't have video of me showing you guys how I juice it, but you guys can see I was done juicing. It tastes really delicious, and I just wanted to show you guys how it look. I will definitely come back with another video. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Stay tuned. Peace out. Bye.